What's up, everyone? As you can see, we pretty much finished.
All right, I'll tell you when they join. Yeah. Nobody right now. Notifying viewers. Finished. Oh, peeled a little bit. So. All right, all right. We got some viewers here.
All right, what's up, everyone? Thanks for pulling in. If you've been following along, we've been painting this exterior. Pretty much finished painting the body today. Now I'm going around and taking off all this tape and plastic from all the windows. If you remember yesterday, everybody was asking me why I masked the windows before I power wash. I used the waterproof tape, and it's got the paint blocking technology, so once it gets wet, it seals the edges. So this way I get nice clean windows. See how clean they are? Nice and clean, no water spots. Now my homeowner doesn't have to worry about getting their windows cleaned too.
Oh, yeah. Where do you get the tape and its name?
Frog tape, and I usually pick my frog tape up from Sherwin-Williams, or I could special order it from Dunn Edwards. Just depends.
What up, everybody?
What's up?
I just said, what up, everybody?
What's up, everyone? As you can see, we pretty much finished up this exterior. Now I'm pretty much demasking, taking everything that I masked off.
Yeah, looks good, boys.
Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah, just demasking.
Gravel.
What? I've been pushing back the gravel, yeah.
Fish is done. The fish is done.
Oh man, we're not really accepting live join ups. Got a question. I know everybody does it differently, but what's your reason for pop outs first, then body?
Because it's easier to mask. You get really nice straight edges. See my nice edges? And then I can go back and do a little bit of push-up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll wash it.
You got someone from Nebraska, no outside painting today, only inside.
Yeah, I bet. The weather in Nebraska is probably
Chilly.
cold.
Looks good. Good job. Thank you, everybody.
I have a little bit of touch-up to do.
A little bit here and there. A little bit here and there. How long to mask? How long to mask all that? Well, it's like an hour, right? Less? I mean, oh, to do all the masking though? Shit.
No, Dad. Yeah, thanks. I appreciate your help. I'll let you
Probably
know.
like-
We're supposed to be here tomorrow, too.
So it's like a cool hour,
Yeah,
8
block
minutes
wall, maybe we go
to
it.
do all the windows yesterday, and then another like 30 minutes to do the pop
All right,
outs.
Dad, I'll let you know. Thank you.
Someone asked how long it took to mask it. I said like an hour for the windows, half hour to an hour for the pop outs.
Yeah, pretty much.
Someone says, wrong house.
I know, right? I'll get him.
Later, Joe. Thanks for your help. I'm up in Paradise Valley today painting some fence walls.
Nice.
Looks not too far from y'all.
Not too far.
Oh, yeah.
We do work in Paradise Valley. Nice homes out there. Easy cleanup.
Oh, yeah. That's a lot of masking. Yep, gotta keep it clean.
It's all part of the job.
There's these pillars we were doing. We didn't do this. Did you guys do this stucco also? We painted it.
You know, we painted it. We do a little bit of stucco repair.
Yeah, we repaired these pillars. They were looking pretty messed up before. Looking real good now. This house was $3,500, I believe. Level those rocks out. $3,500 seems way too cheap. You get it
For
done.
a 2-day job?
2 days, yeah.
2-day job? I mean, how much do you want to charge?
We were here yesterday and today.
This is why I got the job and you didn't.
Ooh. So we're using frog tape for the blue tape.
Yep.
Is there plenty of work down there? I was thinking of coming down there for winters.
There's work all year round. It is booming here in Arizona right now. They're building like crazy. People moving here from all over the place. So this is still good. I'm going to reuse it on another job. So I'll just roll it up like so and stick it back in the trailer.
Is frog tape the best for paint bleed?
I believe so.
Yeah, you know.
It has a paint clogging technology. When it's wet, it'll seal the edges of the tape. So,
Yeah, it does a pretty good job for us. What is that? That is tar paper he is holding. It's for roofing. It really works as a good shielding on the ground.
yeah, we use it as shielding. Alright. Let me get these 2 lights real quick.
Oh yeah.
We gotta touch up some of these pop-outs.
For sure.
We'll end the live feed before we do that.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, let me take it back up a look. We are in Gilbert, Arizona. A little bit of a cloudy day. Drizzled here and there, just a little bit. Worked with it though. Why are you making him do all the work?
He's the boss man. Because I move faster.
Yeah. So I can hold the camera, guys.
That's right. In order for you to enjoy viewing me do this work, can someone operate the camera?
All right. That was kind of janky. I kind of did it.
It's okay, as long as it was protected.
That it was. We missed a spot. Oh yeah?
Yep, well, we'll touch it up.
This is not a new house for sale. Somebody lives here currently. Just joking on the missed spot. Looks good.
I mean, it happens sometimes. We do miss areas. We got to go back and take care of them. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, we're not perfect. And there's always going to be some touch-ups on a project. The main thing is to just take care of them, you know, before the customer sees them. I'd rather see them myself, take care of them, and not worry about the customer complaining about them.
Word.
Although the customers don't really complain, I mean, we take care of it right away, so that's the reason I do a final walkthrough with my customer.
Looks new now. Good job.
Thank you. That was the plan, was to make it look brand new.
Hell yeah. Recommendations for starting a painting business? Kind of general.
At least have some years of experience in the trade. It's a tough industry. Pretty cutthroat. I've been doing this for 24 years. So I mean, good luck to you. By all means, there's plenty of work out there.
How many gallons did we use?
12 gallons total.
12
On
gallons.
the body. 15 gallons of paint total for the whole project.
Yeah, about 12 for the body.
Yep.
3
one
for
the fascia, one for the garage, and one for the pop.
Yep.
I'm gonna have Julian take you around the whole house. You could check it out. We're pretty much done. We're just cleaning up. We're gonna do a little bit of minor touch-ups and make sure everything is clean before we head out. I really appreciate all the support. Be sure to check the episode out on my YouTube channel at the Arizona Painter. Have a great day.
All right, guys. Take you around this house real quick and call it a day. Got one here. I know, I hate goodbyes too. Thanks, guys. Appreciate all the support. Oh, still gotta get those fans. All right. Well, thanks again for joining us. I'll see you guys next time.